Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another quick video for you. So I got this error message that just popped up on my brother's car, so we're gonna try to help him fix it. The issue, I think we have an idea what it is, so let me show you what the error is, and then we're gonna go and basically start the process of figuring out what it is, and hopefully what we did fix it. We don't know yet, but let's find out. Anyway, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below, put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do to scan the car is this. The reason we're doing it because the check engine light popped up. This is called Think Diag. This was sent to me a while back. I haven't used it. This is a perfect timing to use it so I can see what's going on with the car. All right, so let me open up the app. I'm gonna go and connect the dongle. Okay, all right guys, the dongle is connected. You guys go when it's connected is green. All right, we're just gonna do a 3-day trial membership, guys, because I don't use that thing enough to justify paying for it. I haven't used it in a while, so my thing must have expired. So give me a second, let me try it now. All right guys, it's downloading. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see it. All right guys, I've finally finished downloading this stuff. Let me find Nissan Rogue. It's running a scan right now. Okay guys, after multiple search, I finally found it. Let me show you what I believe it might be. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll just take a copy and paste in this thing. So I think it's a MAF airflow sensor. Look like it needs to be replaced, but before we replace it, we're gonna go and clean it first. I have some spray that's supposed to help clean it, so we're gonna do that first and see if that makes a difference. All right, so let's go outside the car and take it out, and then we'll see if it's dirty, clean it, reset the code, and then from there we're gonna see if basically that fixes the issue. If not, if it does, great. If not, then we know we have to replace it. All right, so let's go outside and do it. By the way, code is P0101. P0101. All right, let's go. All right guys, right here, this is the MAF airflow sensor. Look like an 8. Let me grab the 8. All right, 7. Okay guys, let's unplug it first. Oh wow, why is it so hard to unplug too? Okay guys, we're gonna press this guy here. Okay, we got the connector out. Now there's 2 7mm that hold it. Let's take them out. Okay, I got them guys. And then this is the MAF. Okay, I mean, it doesn't look dirty, but we're gonna go and clean it up a little bit and see if it needs to be cleaned. All right, let's go. All right guys, while this thing dries, we're gonna leave it in the sun to let it dry. We're gonna go check the filter to see if the filter also needs to be replaced. All right guys, so while we were at it, we decided, look at this, we decided to change the filter as well. This is the white part. As you can see, it's definitely needed to be changed. Since I'm here, might as well change it. All right, so let's put the new filter on. All right, this is the new filter, brand new, white. Let's put it on. All right guys, the only thing I didn't show you, this part goes right here. There's 2 clips that holds it, and there's a screw right here we take out, and then you can pop this guy off. And then I took the screw here out as well, so just so it's easier for you to be able to this, so you can move it backward. All right, so now I put the filter in there, so what we have to do is basically pop this back in, put the 2 screws, and I'll show you this part. All right guys, so we can just easily push this guy back in. Hold on, make sure it goes all the way in. Let's put in here. There we go, and then clip in, that's it. And we got a 10 that goes right here. right, now we got this guy that goes just underneath here. Alright guys, there's another little snug hole underneath here. Just make sure you connect that too. Okay? And then you put the pop clips on. Then we got one more 10 that goes right here. Okay guys, and alright, last but not least, we're gonna put the MAF back. It only goes in one way guys, so you can't really mess it up. Oh, hold on, I think I did got it the wrong way. Goes this way, let me see. There we go. Alright guys, careful, don't drop the little screws, they're tiny, and these are 7. Tie it. Okay, now we reconnect it. Okay, that's done. Okay guys, so we have the MAF clean. We did the filter, so we're gonna try to reset the check engine light and then see if this pops up. We may have to drive it for a little bit and see if it pops up, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, so we're gonna use the same app. Hopefully we can go ahead and reset this bad boy. Okay, it's connecting. I have to rescan the stuff again guys. Click on engine, find fault code, wait for it to communicate. All right, read code. All right, I see it. All right, let's try to clear fault code. Yes. Confirm. All right, let's go back. Let's clear everything, all the bad codes. Alright guys, all the codes are clear. So now let's go back. Let's unplug the OBD reader. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start the car and test it out guys. Alright, so right now the code is not there, it's clear. So let's hope driving the car around makes a difference. So I'm gonna go around the block and see if it comes back on. So just so we have an idea and know what's going on. All right guys, so we're gonna go for a quick ride to see if the check engine pops up. If it doesn't, great. If not, I mean if it does, then we know exactly that we have to replace the sensor. So for now, let's go for just a quick ride and see what happened. Alright guys, we did a quick lap around the area. Everything seems good. The check engine light didn't pop up, so I think we're good. We'll monitor it for the next couple of days. If nothing comes up, golden. But anyway guys, like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.